We will now show how to physically connect a wireless temperature sensor ELPRO 1 NTR. First of all, we need to insert the batteries. The direction is clearly marked in the module. And then we need to press the connect button for 3 seconds. All this needs to take place within the 10 minutes time frame that we have after adding the sensor in the software. As you can see, it immediately starts blinking in red, and as soon as the connection to the communication module ELPRO RBR was established, it will switch to the second LED blinking in green. Now we can close the lid again, and our sensor is ready to measure the temperature at the place you would like to have it.